everyone, here is the video for fingerprinting ideas for kids. Okay, so first of all we'll draw borderline. Okay, this is the video. We have to make thumb printing, and here the color I am using is from Natural Colors. If you have not seen that video, then go on description and the link is given. You can just click out and see how the colors I have made from natural things. Okay, so here the topic is fingerprinting flowers. We'll make flowers from fingerprinting. Okay, and we'll use natural colors to do this activity. Okay, so first of all we will use thumb. Okay, so here I have taken yellow color, and like this way you have to just dip it in color and then press it on paper to make flower. Okay, so like this way you have to make flower. Here I have used, first of all I have used yellow color and then red color. If you have not seen my earliest video, just go and check out how the colors I have made. Okay, and now here orange color. Now see, I have used middle second finger after thumb to make the string green color. Here I have used green color. Okay, if the color gets dry, just use dip of water to make it wet. Okay, then again I have used thumb to print leaves of flower. Okay, I hope you everyone enjoyed it. Now see, I have used blue color to make clouds. Okay, so like this way, just dip it in blue color and just press it on paper to make the cloud. Okay, follow my steps to complete this picture.